Hello everyone, Bethany here. I have an unboxing for you from Diamond Art Club. This kit I bought a while back. It has been sitting in my craft closet along with all of the other diamond paintings I have to unbox for you, but I've been trying to kind of spread them out so that you don't get bombarded with a bunch of unboxings all at once. I was really excited to get this piece. When it came out, I knew it was one that I wanted to buy. So this is a square diamond kit. Like I said, it's a Diamond Art Club, and the name of the piece is Brookside Retreat. There is a picture of it. The artist is Chuck Pinson, and the dimensions for this piece are 36.6 inches by 27.6 inches, or 93 centimeters by 70 centimeters. It's a pretty big one. This is the box. I am gonna open it up. The price for this kit on Diamond Art Club's website is $74.99. So in here we have a toolkit, canvas, and sticker. Now you can do a lot of different things with these stickers. I like to keep them and not unstick it, but just set it on top of whatever storage containers I'm using for the project. That way, if I have multiple projects going at once, I know what canvas my drills go to. This is a square tool kit. It comes with the pen, a blue grip, pair of tweezers, this particular one is quite springy. It comes with a 4-placer, which goes on the end of the pin like that. A clear diamond painting tray, 2 wax pads in the shape of hearts, and some baggies. The canvas comes in a plastic sleeve which says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. This is poured glue, so if you leave it laying out, it will flatten out on its own. I'm going to roll it back so that we can help it flatten along a little bit faster. so that I can show it to you guys. Inside we have the drills wrapped up inside of the canvas, as well as step-by-step instructions to diamond painting. Although if you've never diamond painted before, probably a kit this size is not what you want to start with. There's a sticker sheet inside. It says the name of the canvas, Brookside Retreat, the artist by Pinson. It has an area to write a start date and an end date. It shows the original picture, gives you the diamond shape, which is square, and the size. And it comes with a list which has the serial number, symbol, and color code for the colors used. There are 55 colors in this kit and 2 ABs. The symbols on the canvas are nice and clear, easy to read. I don't know if you can tell that or not, but the canvas itself has a sparkle to it. It has scalloped edging, which will help prevent fraying. This is the canvas. It is not going to fit on all in camera at once. It definitely doesn't fit on my table. So we're gonna have to just maneuver it around a little bit. But it is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Look, a little hummingbird. And a lantern. Okay, in the bottom left-hand corner is a thumbnail of the image, name of the image, dimensions of the image, Chuck Pinson, Diamond Art Club. The bottom middle of the canvas has their social media information. The bottom right-hand side of the canvas has their lifetime warranty stamp. Your canvas comes with a lifetime warranty and a free missing diamonds protection from Diamond Art Club. And there's the email to email them if you have any issues, which is support@diamondartclub.com. The top middle has Do What Makes You Sparkle, Diamond Art Club, their name, logo, and the left-hand side, upper left-hand side has the key. This is so cool, guys. So there's a cabin here. Up at the top you have trees and a pretty yellow sky. You have some birds flying there, some more really pretty trees over there, colorful trees, a fence, deer, flowers. You have this babbling brook here with some, I think that's a little duck there, some swans, maybe, I think that's a frog, rabbit, a little butterfly. That is so cute. Look at the bucket. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's a lot of cool things in this canvas. I am going to go ahead and show you the drills. On the package it says Brookside Retreat. A lot of very naturey colors, a lot of greens. A lot of greens and some browns. So we have two 997s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bags of 3371. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bags of 935. 1, 2, 3 bags of 3855. A 3837, an 841, 2 bags of 841, 150, 3864, there's 2 bags of those, 3 bags of 433, 3 bags of 3787, and 647. 647 is continued, so there's 3 bags of that. We have 934. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of that. There's a lot of multiple bags of these colors. That tells you how big this canvas is. There are 2 bags of 745, a 3024, a 470, 2 of those actually. 3021, 414, 3 bags of 434, 2 bags of 3023, a 3064, a 435, 3 bags of 898, 2 bags of 471, and a 738. All right, we have some 640. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 3854, 2 of them. We have 937. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of that. Another close color to that is 3346, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of that, 2 bags of 938, and a 977. As you can see, the quality of the drills is really nice. We have one more long strip, and it is the more colorful strip. 738. I feel like we've had that one before. Have we? Yes, we have. So there's 2 of those. 3607, really pretty pink. A 602, that's a more deeper pink. 317, 600, 601, 327, 2 bags of 327, 208, 135, which is one of the ABs. It is a green sparkly color. 3830, 3776, 498. That's pretty. 915, 129. That is the other AB. It is a yellow. 413, 165, 209, 3033, 3608, 798, 318, 900, 891, 976, 334, 550, and 340. All right, let's look at the location of those AB diamonds. So we have numbers 1 and 2. 1, it looks like, is the yellow, and 2 is the green. We have some 2s right here. 2s, 2s, so scattering through some of those trees up there. Down here in some of the grasses is 2s, twos. Here's the yellow AB on the hummingbird wing here. There's some ones in this little lantern and on this bucket. There's some ones here on whatever creature that is. I was kind of expecting to see some in the sky, but I don't see any in the sky. There's some twos in the trees up there. There's a few ones in the right in here. Oh, there's some ones up here in the sky right here where the rays of sun is coming down. The sun is peeking through the trees. That's really pretty. And these flowers right here are some of the yellow ABs and some green ABs right here. That looks like another butterfly right there. And then there's some ones down here in the water. This contains 102,210 diamonds. The description on the Diamond Art Club website is as follows. Follow the narrow lantern-lit path as it winds its way up to a comfy cabin and make yourself at home in this secluded spot on the river. Then step out onto the porch and savor the sunbeams as they flicker about, adding golden highlights to an already alluring sight. Breathe in the fresh air that's teeming with bright blossoming foliage and greet their neighbors who gather to welcome you to their sanctuary. And that is Brookside Retreat by Chuck Pinson. A beautiful, beautiful painting. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. Please like this video if you feel led to do so, and subscribe to my channel to see more content. Thanks guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.